Hi guys, I want to show you how to use Toasts and Snackbars in Enaml Native. It's pretty simple. If you don't know what a toast is, it's a simple message that pops up and shows some text for a short period. So there's two ways to do it, and I'm going to show you the documentations on the website with this example. So I'm just going to run it, and it's pretty easy to use. You just define it with your typical component, set the text to whatever message you want to show, and then from model code or another button or whatever, you set the show property equals to true, and it will show up for whatever duration you have set. So by default that's 1 second, and you can change it just by setting the duration in milliseconds. So if we want to change it to 4, run it again, and it should show up longer. Alright, and you can also set a custom view in here, but you have to watch out because you can't handle any click events in a toast, so any buttons in here won't work. If you want to use buttons, there's a Snackbar component that I'm going to talk about shortly. So let's try this, and you can see we added a little icon here, so you can show more than text in a toast. And there's one other way that I want to show this. If you import the application object, then you can use it directly from that. Let's override the second one just by using show toast. If we get an instance, show toast, and then hello, rerun this, and there we go. So that's a shortcut, and it makes it easier to use it within model code or something like that. Alright, so let's check out a snack bar. If you want to add a button to it that you can do an action, that's what you want to use a snack bar for. And it pops up at the bottom of the screen, and a snack bar requires that it's a child of either a coordinator layout or any subclass of a fragment layout. It will complain if it's not in one of those. So let's run this example and hit show snack bar. We can see what's popping up at the bottom with our text. It's pretty much the same API as the toast. The only difference is you can add an action text, which will define a button, and you can click that button and it'll trigger the clicked function. And you can also observe actions events. I display the ones that it's showing here, so if you click on it, it'll say clicked shortly and then dismissed. You can swipe it away. It's hard to do on an emulator. So you swipe it away and then it says swipe, so you can react based on what event happens. Alright, that's how you use Toast and Snackbars in Enaml Native. Thanks for watching.